Hello guys, welcome to RPA feed, and in today's session we will be looking at PDF package. Let me create a bot. Let's name it PDF package and let's create a bot. So from actions, let's search for PDF, and in PDF package you can see the below actions, right? We have decrypt document, encrypt document, extract field, extract image, extract text, then get property, merge document, and split document. So you can encrypt or decrypt your PDF, extract field, image, text, and get the PDF properties like PDF title, file name, subject, and author. And you can merge and split the PDF documents. So let's extract field. Let's use this action. In this case, this command requires a PDF file. I have already uploaded a PDF file on the control room, so let me browse through that. So this is my PDF file, and here we will need to draw a region, or we want to tell the bot what exact field we want to extract from this document. So we will open a PDF viewer. So from the control room file, let me again navigate to the PDF file and load this. So once we load this, this is the PDF viewer and it displays both the pages of the document. So let me draw a region from this icon, and I want to extract, let's say, application. So in this case, this document is just a plain PDF document. It is not like it has some field or table structure. For example, if you have an invoice PDF, so in that you can mark fields to be extracted and the values of those fields, right? But in this case, we will go with, let's say, application is our one of the field. Let me add a custom region and name it, let's say, app. We need to provide a key name, so we provided a key name for this as app, and let me try with comment. Let me draw a region for comment, and let's name it as comment and close this. So we want to extract two fields from this document, right? And we can store them in a dictionary variable or multiple variables. So let's choose the dictionary variable. Let me create one dictionary variable for this. Extracted fields, let me name it like this, and let me pull up the message box, and just to demonstrate or just to display whatever fields we are extracting, right? So this is our dictionary extracted field, and the key we need to pass in here is application, or for application it's app, and for comment it's comment. Okay. So these are the same field, same key which we have used over here. So this should return me the text. Okay, and now let's move back to again PDF package and look for other action. So this is extracting field. We can similarly use extract image. So in this you can again provide the PDF file from the control room or from variable or from desktop file, right? You can specify what page ranges you want to extract, and what is the type of the image you want it to be converted to. So TIFF, JPG, GIF, PNG. So there are list of available type of formats which you can use to get your PDF document converted. And you can specify a specific page, like for example your PDF is of 10 page and you want only second page, so you can specify the page number over here, or you can specify all if you want all of them to be extracted as image. You can also specify the compression type for certain image types, right? It's only for TIFF, and this is the folder path where you can specify the image to be stored, and you can specify other image related properties like DPI, X and Y resolution, and color property, grayscale property, and you can hold the value in the dictionary variable. So we are not going to convert this right now. It's not something with our file we'll be doing it. So let me just delete this and extract text. So for example, this is similar to extract field, just that extract text extracts all the text from the PDF document which you specify over here. So let's specify the same PDF file, and here let's mention the output file. So we will store the output in C temp slash let's say pdf.txt. So at this directory, a PDF file should be created and it should have the all the text extracted from the PDF. You can check this option if you want to override if already you have a file present. Okay. Um, so this is done. Then let's move on to get property method. So in get property method, it helps you to get the properties of your PDF file. For example, title, file name, subject, or author. So let me demonstrate this to you by displaying a file name. For example, let's choose the PDF file, and in this PDF file, we will hold the value in the dictionary. We'll use the same dictionary here, extracted fields. Okay, and in extracted fields, we will be able to we need to query sorry, we need to uh, have a message box just to display this. So I'll copy this action message box and we'll paste that action here and we'll drag it to the bottom, and here we will use PDF file name. So this is our file name, and these are our application and comment text. So uh, basically we don't need to specify any label for that because that's the same text which is gonna getting which will be extracted over here. So this is how we get the properties of the PDF file, and then we have merge document. Merge document helps you to merge two or more PDF together in a one single PDF. So you can add as many PDFs you want, and then all those PDFs would be merged into a single document. So you no need to do that manually. This is just an action which allows which helps you to merge all your PDFs in a single file. We are not doing this. It's a pretty straightforward. So will be not considering this for this example here. I'm just showing you how you can do that. And then we have a split document. In split document, we split a particular PDF. Let's say your PDF is 10 pages or 100 pages long, and you want to split basis on the page numbers or odd and even page numbers. Like for example, here you want to uh, specify like range 5 to 12 or specific 1, 3, 5, these kind of pages, right? So you can split the document on the basis of that, and those many split documents, PDF documents would be created. So that is pretty simple. We'll just delete this and also we'll delete this, and we are just left with these two, decrypt document and encrypt document. So decrypt document helps you to first we need to let's see this encryption. So whenever you encrypt your PDF, right? So you can provide a password for your PDF, so no one can open that PDF, right? So this is used for encryption, uh, basically for securing your PDF document. And in order to uh, read the data from the encrypted document, you can decrypt that document, right? You can then decrypt it. So it's just basically secure for security purpose for your file. Okay, and let me show you this by running this bot. We will see how the fields are getting extracted, and then how the PDF file is getting extracted as a text, and then the property. So let me run this bot now, and you will see two message box and one text file as an output. So let's see how it looks like. So first we got application and comment. As expected, we had drawn a region for these two fields, and we got that as an output. Then we got the file name right from the property, and this is the file name. And let's see the PDF file which is generated. So pdf.text, we had specified this name, and if you open that, it contains all the text from that PDF file being extracted over here. So this can be useful handy use case whenever you want to extract some text from the PDF and you want to use that for some manipulation, right? Then you have this text file, and by using the text and CSV and text file package, CSV and text, you can read that particular text file and perform the other set of operations. So this is all about PDF package and PDF actions, guys. In case you have any concerns or doubt, you can comment down below this video. And uh, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.